At the end of the day, we just want to make money when we're investing. Whether we're buying Google at the beginning of last year and we're up 65%, or we're buying Dollar Tree and we're up 62%. So what I am interested in with this post right here from John Ehrlichman, he did a great job listing 40 companies expected to more than double their revenue in the next 5 years based on average analyst estimates. And I saw these 40 companies, I went through all of them, and I was looking for more than just, are they expected to double their revenue? How do they look on the charts? Like, are they super extended or are they near major support? And the third thing is, are insiders buying? Are the people that work at these organizations bullish on these stocks as well? So today, that's exactly what we're doing. I'm going through the stocks out of these 40, because I value your time, that have these variables going for them. And we're going to look for good entries to potentially get into some of these stocks. So out of all of these stocks, one name that really got my attention was ticker symbol S, SentinelOne. This stock is down 33% year to date, currently $15 at the time of this recording, but look at the chart. This stock is almost exactly at major support. I mean, if you want to get an even better entry, potentially, if you're bullish on this company, you could go for $14.44. But SentinelOne provides an AI-powered cybersecurity platform. It's down about 33%, largely because investors have been cautious about its growth outlook, even though the company is still growing ARR and revenue about 23% and improving profitability. This is from ChatGPT, annual reoccurring revenue is what ARR stands for. But this is pretty interesting. You're starting to see some insider buys at $14.89. Tell me this guy isn't looking at the chart. He spent about $600,000. Not too much compared to some of these filings, but we are right here today at major support. So again, this is the 3-month chart. So back here, this is October 2022 and then 2025, 3 years later. But if you're not one to believe in technical analysis like me, I refuse to believe what billions of dollars just bounce off of lines like this. This is the S&P 500 in the year 2002. Boing, you can see here resistance, bam, boing right here off the support. Sorry for the sound effects, but then you have ticker symbol BEAM. And the reason why I'm bringing this up only is because of it being on the list of 40 companies. You can see here, BEAM Therapeutics. Look what this stock did. Again, this is the 3-month chart right off of major support from the year 2020. Then right here, April of 2025, this stock went from 13 to 27. So this stock is now up 100%, all because of it finding support. So that's why we want to have our watch lists in place so that when these prices present themselves potentially, we are prepared. The other company is MercadoLibre, ticker symbol MELI. They are a leading Latin American company that operates an extensive e-commerce marketplace and a full suite of integrated financial technology, logistics, and digital payment services across 18 countries. And some people really love this stock. This user here on X is saying 60,000 public companies in the world. Only one of them has maintained 27 straight quarters of 30% revenue growth. Another user on X saying it has gone nowhere in the last 5 years and it's getting ridiculous now. So again, this is the 3-month chart. So back here in 2021, January, you can see it hasn't made much progress, but fintech grew by 68% last quarter, now making up 43% of sales. E-commerce growth was also strong at 38%. Stanley Druckenmiller, legendary billionaire investor, grew his Mealy position by almost 10% in Q3. And Mealy, despite it being at the same place it was in January of 2021, revenues are now up a whopping 6x. And I wouldn't be surprised if the stock found some support at this level. Next, you have AVGO, straight up. It's a 3-month, but I'm bringing it up because there was an insider purchase on December 18th for $300,000. That's pocket change for these guys. Look at these sales, 128 million, 124 million, 33 million. I'm not interested in small insider purchases like that. However, whenever you see a insider purchase like this for $100 million, I've talked about this in a previous video, DoorDash, that's pretty interesting. This is DoorDash on the monthly chart. Nothing too special, but keep your eye on it. Now, the next stock is ticker symbol GTLB, that is GitLab. And if you look at this chart, this is also another stock approaching major support. Might already be at support here at $37.84, but if this goes down to maybe $34 or $30, this is major support. So this is again the 3-month chart. If we look at the monthly chart, it's approaching those levels, but no insider purchases on that stock. Another stock is ticker symbol CRWV, CoreWeave. nothing too special. I mean, the moment's already passed. This is the weekly chart. But the thing about this AI cloud computing platform, you can see how that could potentially be a theme in 2026. This stock moves aggressively. I mean, this little candle right here is 20%. This one can move. Maybe watch for a 38 or $30 level for support. Another stock from that list is Datadog, ticker symbol DDOG. What's interesting about this is at support. Currently, it's at the anchored VWAP from IPO, and I'll talk about this in another video, but this could be a level. A lot of institutions have buy and sell orders around these anchored volume weighted average price algorithms. And so this, just keep an eye on this right here at $138 a share. Buyers might still be in control here and could send this higher. Now this stock, ticker symbol NU, is a stock I talked about years ago. I made all these videos private, but it was Warren Buffett's penny stock. This was $3, now it's $16. Warren Buffett has completely dumped his position, but that was a stock expected to double their revenue. Now this stock is also approaching major support. This is a 3-month chart, ticker symbol TTD, and that is the Trade Desk. They provide a self-service cloud-based platform that empowers advertisers to plan, manage, and optimize data-driven digital ad campaigns, and its stock is being pressured due to decelerating revenue growth, intense competition from tech giants like Amazon and Google, and broader macroeconomic uncertainties. This is from Gemini. And another stock that's interesting is ticker symbol ZS, Zscaler. They provide a cloud-based cybersecurity platform that securely connects users, devices, and applications using this model right here. It's at anchored VWAP. So this $230 price range could be an area for support. This is the monthly chart. This is a 3-month chart. You can see here, if we cut through the noise, I wouldn't be surprised to see some support here. But the stocks that, the number one stock out of all of these that looks the most interesting with insider buying is ticker symbol S. Might come down to this $12 range, but just want to put this on your watch list. All of these stocks, really, not financial advice. I'm only in Tesla and primarily in cash. But I'm watching these, and I haven't really done my DD on these stocks, but if I find something interesting, if I ever buy any of these, I'll definitely let you know. If you like more content like this, feel free to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks. Peace.